Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ram 1500 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your truck is parked safely with the ignition off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position, being careful not to scratch the glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade down and off the hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to hold the metal wiper arm firmly to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Align the new wiper blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached before carefully lowering the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Once the driver's side is complete, repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. After both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using the windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For best visibility and safety, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.